For freeze-dried samples, we recommend grinding the samples using a NutriBullet food blender or equivalent. Subsequently, these samples should be milled to pass a 0.5mm screen. In this case, we are showing a Fritsch Pulverizette 14. Alternatively, a Retsch ZM200mm is very useful for this milling. The following components are required for this mill. Place the Labyrinth disc on the motor shaft, followed by the rotor, the 0.5mm screen with the marked arrow facing upwards, the collection tray, and finally the collection tray lid. Close the mill and add the sample funnel. Turn on the mill and slowly add the sample. Once complete, remove the mill lid and take out the sample tray. For ease of use, transfer the milled sample to a plastic bag and seal. When sampling is required, subsequently transfer to a labelled container that is easier to manage. After use, clean the mill thoroughly using a vacuum and a soft brush.